Today we will discuss about an important visualization on the variable chart. Previous session we have taken a variable chart with the sales and profit, and this presentation we would like to show another two dimensions. Altogether we are showing four matrices in a variable chart representation. As we know that we already given a presentation on variable chart with the sales and profit, and in this presentation we would like the two more measures on the shipping cost and the time to ship of the category of the product. So when you are seeing this, the matrices, we have categories: furnitures, office suppliers, technology, and the corresponding subcategories. And we have four measures: the profit and sales, and shipping cost, and the time to ship. So, what is the best way we can show in the bar chart? The best way we can show in a bar chart with a variable chart. One with the bar chart, the height of the chart that we will display in a sales, and width of the chart that will display in terms of width as a profit. And we will show one more, two other measures: shipping cost as height of the chart and time to ship as the width of the chart. What are the best fit that we can going to display it here actually? And where we got this inference is we got the inference nowhere else from this Tableau. There is a person who did the Tableau, and this person, John, he has given the variable chart with the sales as an height and profit as a width, that is X. You can see, right, in terms of you can able to see the West had a sales about 3898802, and the profit recorded by the West region is 422868. So we take that as an inference for our chart, and how we can display here. We created a chart here. We created a chart here, and you can able to see here how we are showing here. Just again, yeah. And if you see the chart here, right? Let me hover myself. Let's say this is a hobbies category, and here the sub that belong to subcategory of binders and binder accessories. And you can see the four measures: the sales and the profit, and the shipping cost, and time to ship. And if you see this on the left hand side, we the height of the bar displays your sales, and width of your chart displays your profit. If you see the left hand side of the bar alone, we dis- we shown has variable chart with sales and profit. And if you want to see where which category and the subcategory which made sales is more, no doubt, and this technology category of the subcategory office machines has registered the max sales among the category, which is nothing but 2171343. And if you see the width of this, the profit also, which is greater, that is 276590, which is a good and a reasonable sales and profit for the category technology of the respective office machine. And I just want to look at what the amount incurred with the shipping cost and the time to ship, right? So we displayed and we showed in this chart with the variable on the right hand side. You can see the shipment cost, which is nothing but we registered the shipment cost this and the time it took to ship this for 9 days. And you can see this particular subcategory, a quite interesting pattern we are seeing here. This records the office suppliers. The sales is 167525 and the profit also 7552, which is not that much bad but reasonably good. But if you look into this, the shipment cost which is incurred, it is 2049 and the time to ship is 92 days. It clearly shows that the shipment cost, if you counted with the profit, which is nothing but which is equivalent to 25% of the profit, if you say with this number, and the time to ship of this thing, it took 92 days. That's why we can see the width of this, which is much greater the time in terms of here it is 92 days. What if you want to see the minimum of time to ship of any of the product? You can see this is a shipment is 9 days and this is 22 and this is the minimum. Shipment time is 9 and you can see rest of other thing is shipment time is 17. And you can see how we can see this 9 days is you need to see the width of the bar, not the height of the bar. The height of the bar which tells you about the shipment cost here. If you see the width, you can see the width of this is 31 days time to ship, and the height of the bar which tells about the respective shipment cost actually. So here in the chart on the left hand side, we are able to see how the sales and profit made by the category and the subcategory. On the same bar on the right hand side, we can able to see the shipment cost wise the time take for this shipment in terms of days here. And also we uh, categorize with the color blue, orange, and green for that. And you can see the number of days. We can see 92 is the number of maximum days to ship for a particular product. So 92 is nothing but this is the one. Time to ship is 92. And you can see the minimum time to ship, that is 9. You can see these are all the bars. You can see it took 9 days actually. So this particular visualization help us to understand about the sales wise the profit, a kind of a correlation. And also we are seeing in the same bar on the right hand side the shipment type with the time shift as a correlation. And we made it the axis with the sales here and the axis with the shipment cost. For the width here we took as time to ship, and profit we took as a variable chart here actually. So we are showing four measures in the same chart, and that gives you a clear understanding about the association between the four measures. And this is we created with the dual axis. This is also dual axis. So how we created the dual axis, you can see, right? We made it like this: sum of sales and sum of shipping cost. And this how we made we showed it the size actually. Here we shown as the size with the maximum time, and here the size we show with the profit here. The size is nothing but the width of the bar actually. So we mentioned the width with regard to the size actually, and the height we know that that is a sales, and the opposite on the right hand side we showed as a shipping cost. So this is a straightforward and a quite interesting chart, and this I did a long back, but I thought that this would be a very interesting scenario. We can make use of the four matrices side by side with the variable chart. I hope this would be a very nice one to understand about the variable chart, the four matrices. Thank you so much.